Greetings punters, Ben here, and we are going to draw game 972, which is Tyler's Amazing Spider-Man 293. Alright, we are live, and it currently is 4:56 p.m. and world clock says it is 4:56 p.m. Let's go and see how many spots we've got. Alrighty, we have 82 spots. Kevin at 1. 82 spots. Kevin at 1. Deej at 82. Alright, Kevin at 1. Yep, 82 spots. Deej there. 3 dice roll. Anytime today. Alrighty. 6 and 2 is 8 and 4 is 12. 4 and 2 is 6 and 6 is 12. 12 rolls. Here we go. Randomized. For some reason, it's taken a long time. It's very odd. Could be a very long video. That was 1. Everything else was going fine, so I'm assuming it's the random.org site. 2. Let's get ready for the longest video in Grail Punters history. Talk quietly amongst yourselves. 3. Do, 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 do. 4. Come on. 5. It's like it's running in slow motion for you, so you can see there's nothing, no funny buggers going on. Why don't I volunteer for this one? Alright, 6. Huzzah! Halfway there. Seven. 8. 9. Alright, my apologies, that's someone knocking on my door. Alright, 10 times from a 12. Here we go. Alright, 11 times from 12. Next one is for the win. Good luck, everyone. Ooh, alright, there we are. 12 times. We finally got there. Let's go and see who our winner is. And it is... Dun, dun, dun. Mr. Tim Weiss. Mr. Tim Weiss. All right, mate. Congratulations. You need to get in contact with Tyler to claim your prize. We are done. Sorry for the technical debacle and the person knocking on my door at an inappropriate moment. Thanks for playing. We'll catch you next time.